start next lecture. Lecture number 27 from topic S block elements. Subtopic biological role of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Now, student, we know that for our healthy metabolism or for healthy growth of human beings as well as plants, we require some elements to carry out our metabolism. Hence, some alkali metals, some of alkaline earth metals play important role in our biology. So let's see what is the role of, first of all, alkali metals, which called as a biological role of alkali metals. Living organisms such as human beings as well as plants requires various metals such as potassium, magnesium, sodium and calcium. These are the major elements which are required. Sodium and potassium are required in bulky amount. That means we require sodium and potassium in a large amount, which is required to maintain the osmotic pressure on either side of cell wall to keep it constant. So to maintain the atmospheric pressure on the cell wall constant, we require sodium and potassium in a large quantity. Along with maintaining osmotic pressure, sodium and potassium also maintain sensitivity of nerves and control the muscles. So sensitivity of nerve cell, and also they control the muscles. It is surprising that the biological function of sodium and potassium are very different. So though they are present from the same group, that is alkali metals, their biological functions are different one. Sodium ions are actively expelled from the cell. That means they are present inside the cell. Sodium get out from the cell, whereas potassiums are not. So potassium remain inside and sodium get expelled out from the cell. So this ion transport, that means to get expelled out, to get in, that ion transport is called as a sodium pump, where it involves both the active impulsion of sodium as well as active intake of potassium. Sodium is present in the form of ion, also potassium also present in the form of ion. Both are having one charge. Student, सोडियम आणि पोटॅशियम आपल्याला जास्त प्रमाणात बायोलॉजिकली म्हणजे आपल्या मेटाबॉलिझमसाठी लागतात. त्यांचं अमाऊंट जास्त लागतं. कशासाठी? तर पहिले म्हणजे ऑस्मॅटिक प्रेशर मेंटेन करायला सेल वॉलचं तिथं ऑस्मॅटिक प्रेशर मेंटेन करण्यासाठी यांची गरज असते. आणि दुसरं हे मसल कंट्रोल करतात आणि नर्व सेलसुद्धा त्यांची सेन्सिटिव्हिटीसुद्धा काय करतात मेंटेन करतात. या दोघांचा रोल सारखा नाही आहे. तर एक सेलच्या बाहेर असतो तर एक सेलच्या आतमध्ये असतो. आत बाहेर ह्या प्रोसेसला आयन ट्रान्सपोर्ट असं म्हणलं जातं. आयन ट्रान्सपोर्ट म्हणतात आणि हा आयन ट्रान्सपोर्ट म्हणजेच त्याला दुसरं नाव आहे सोडियम पंप. दॅट मीन्स टू एक्सपेल Na plus from the cell and to take up potassium inside the cell. That is called as a sodium pump. Now in animal cell, concentration of K plus is about 0.15 molar and that of sodium is about 0.01 molar. So in animal cell या दोघांचा अमाउंट वेगवेगळा आहे. पोटॅशियम आहे 0.15 मोलार तर सोडियम आहे 0.01 मोलार. इन बॉडी फ्लुइड, लिम्फ अँड ब्लड, म्हणजे आपल्या वेगवेगळ्या पार्टमध्ये यांचं प्रमाण हे प्रेझेंट असतात. बॉडी फ्लुइडमध्ये, लिम्फमध्ये आणि ब्लडमध्ये. The concentration of K plus and Na plus are about 0.003 to 0.15 respectively. That means K plus is having its amount 0.003 molar, whereas sodium is having its amount 0.15 molar in body fluids, lymph and blood. The different ratio of this sodium and K plus inside and outside the cell produce an electrical potential across the cell membrane. ह्यांच्या दोघांचं एक आत आणि एक बाहेर, सेलच्या एक आतमध्ये म्हणजे पोटॅशियम आतमध्ये, सोडियम बाहेर प्रेझेंट असल्यामुळं काय होतं त्या सेल मेम्ब्रेनच्या तिथे इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेन्शियल तयार होतं. हे विच इज इसेन्शियल फॉर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ नर्व्स अँड मसल सेल, जे की नर्व्स आणि मसल सेलच्या फंक्शनिंगसाठी आवश्यक असतं. तर हे कशामुळं घडतं, तर यांच्या दोघांच्या रेशोमुळं, एक आतमध्ये आणि एक बाहेर असल्यामुळे. In agriculture, potassium compounds are extensively used as a fertilizer. म्हणजे प्लांटच्या उपयोगासाठी जर पाहिलं तर पोटॅशियम इज वन ऑफ द fertilizer which is required for the healthy growth of plants. Now among the six, which one that? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the six important elements required for the plant as a form of fertilizer. So potassium is one of the important constituent of this fertilizer, which is a major one and it required for the healthy growth of a plant. So this is the role of potassium in case of a plant. Now let's see the biological role of alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metal means secondary group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, etc. These metals also play important role in biological system. Magnesium 2 plus is necessary for impulse transmissions, and calcium 2 plus is required for the formation of cell wall. So, production of cell wall required calcium 2 plus. Cell wall structure and maintenance of the correct heartbeat. So, the calcium 2 plus is having very important role in case of cell wall structure, formation of cell wall structure, and to maintain the correct heartbeat. So this is the biological role of calcium 2 plus. Magnesium 2 plus ions concentrated in animal cells, and calcium 2 plus are concentrated in the body fluids. So Mg2 plus कुठे सापडेल animal cell मध्ये, तर calcium 2 plus body fluids मध्ये सापडेल, जे की आउटसाइडच्या सेलच्या आउटसाइडला असेल. Like that of potassium K plus, which is inside, and sodium which is outside. Similar to that, Mg2 plus and calcium 2 plus. Mg2 plus ion form complex with ATP and are constituent of enzyme. So guys, please keep in mind, there may be question in objective, dash dash element is the constituent of enzyme. So answer is Mg2 plus. Magnesium ions is a constituent of enzymes for carrying out reaction involving in our metabolism, which involve ATP and energy release. Mg2 plus ions are essential for the transmission of impulse along the nerve fibers. म्हणजे संदेश वाहनाचं काम करण्यासाठी Mg2 प्लसच्या अमाऊंटची, म्हणजे त्याच्या प्रेझेन्सची काय पडते, गरज पडते. सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट in case of transmission of impulse along the nerve fibers. Calcium 2 plus is important in, all of you know that, important in bones and in teeth. It is present in teeth as a form of appetite, that is calcium phosphate. आपल्या दातावरती जे आवरण असतं ते असतं हे ॲपेटाईट, कॅल्शियम ॲपेटाईट. ॲपेटाईट कॅल्शियम फॉस्फेटचं आवरण असतं, ज्याला आपण इनॅमल म्हणतो. इनॅमल ॲज या फॉर्ममध्ये असतं, हायड्रॉक्सी ॲपेटाईटच्या फॉर्ममध्ये असतं. So calcium 2 plus is an important part of bone and teeth. Calcium 2 plus ions are important in blood clotting also. So it is again another major role of calcium 2 plus, maintaining heartbeats as well as in blood clotting. Agriculture, both calcium and magnesium are required for the healthy growth of plants. Gypsum, calcium sulfate along with water. This is called as a gypsum. Which is used to improve the soil condition. That means जमिनीचा पोत सुधारवण्यासाठी किंवा चांगला करण्यासाठी जिप्सम हे जमिनीमध्ये काय करतात, ॲड केलं जातं. तर इथे कॅल्शियमचा रोल आहे. Calcium is also present in superphosphate. All of you know that superphosphate is one of the fertilizer. Superphosphate and triple superphosphate. So these are present in this fertilizer. Mg2 plus is an important constituent of chlorophyll. Again, here is a question, objective question. In chlorophyll, Mg2